Hello, moms and dads. Mr. Garcia here. I know it's been a couple weeks since I sent out a video, but here we go. This week, it's Monday, February the 5th. We are going to review for the math test for Unit 5 today. We started reviewing on Friday. We'll take the test tomorrow. We finished reading about ancient India. We had about like a 3-week time period. We read about ancient India. We covered geography, the early Indus River Valley settlement, Mohenjo-Daro, and another town. Then we got into religion, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Then the first unification of India, and then finally into the Gupta Empire. Your students are going to be writing about that empire, well, all about ancient India, really. And we've gone ahead and done the note-taking for that. We've done the graphic organizer. And this week, your children will be handwriting the rough draft, pencil to paper, in class. That'll be due this Friday. And I think, gosh, we have a 5-day week this week. Next week's a 4-day week. Although the weather tried to make it a 4-day week, I was hoping. I know you guys were hoping against that. You were like, I need to send my kid to school, please. With all of that said, it's just kind of a busy week. We are going to end up taking the math benchmark here, if not the end of next week, then early the following week. So we're looking about 5 or 6 school days away from taking the end of trimester 2 math test. And the reason I want to take that early is to buy back some time for us to teach a little bit more of what we have to teach for math before the end of the year test. I only have about 47 days of teaching math between now and that test at the end of the year, 47 school days. And there's probably 60 to 65 days worth of material to cover. So we skip a lot of geometry. We go heavy on statistics. And kids have to know how to do something called a box, plot, and whiskers, interpreting data when they see it on a graph for statistics. And we'll cover that in detail. But 5 days this week, 4 days next week, 4 days the following week, 5 days the end of February, and that'll bring us to March 1st, which is the last day for the grading period for the trimester. All right, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and get a hold of me through the school email, or you can get a hold of me back through the Aries communication portal. That works just fine. All right, thank you. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.